Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to my channel MBBS and BDS lectures. Today our topic is related to histology, identification points of lung or histology, practical and slide. There are four identification points of lung. Number one, serosa is present. Number two, alveoli lined by simple squamous epithelium. The third identification point is bronchioles are present, and the fourth identification point is bronchi are present. These are the four identification points of lung for histology, practical and slide. I already upload the slide detailed explanation video of lung on my YouTube channel. Go and watch that video. Now I will upload these identification points also. On my YouTube channel you can find general histology, special histology, each slide detailed explanation video and each slide identification points also. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. If you new to my channel, subscribe my channel by pressing the red subscribe button and also press the bell icon to open the all notification for receiving my each new video notification. For watching my videos, I am very thankful to you. Thank you very much.